Let's see how to download the Neeve app. Okay, go to Play Store first and then type NEEVE app and then click on search button, and this is the one. Okay, मैले अगाडि download गरेर राखेको छु. So you download it, install it, and then open है. Then for login they will ask you the phone number है. Then you have to click on, you have to put your phone numbers, जुन चाहिँ तिमीको phone number छ, that one. So get OTP, then you have to wait. Okay, so 7998 is your 7998 7998. Okay, so now state government school, I'm from private school, I want to take a, so state government school. Now state ma chai Sikkim. Okay, done. Then you have to put UDICE है. UDICE ma this one मैले जुन चाहिँ बिहान तिमीलाई सेन्ड गरेको छु, that one you have to paste here. Okay, UDICE number, this is the one. So Jorthang Senior Secondary School already आइहाल्छ है. Then class you will choose class 9. Student name, for example, just for example, okay, Anjali Mukhia. Okay, Anjali Mukhia गर्यो भने चाहिँ. Alright, then DOB, you have to give your DOB है, कुन चाहिँ year हो यहाँनिर लगाउनु. For example, I'm just doing for example र आफ्नो DOB लगाउनु, date of birth, then click on OK, then submit है. So then you click on confirm all information is correct, this, and then you press on continue. So this one, so you can go to the dashboard and you will see. Okay, lessons are huncha yahanira. So this is how you have to register to yourself. All right.